Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp app on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First of all, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you are inside the Play Store, tap on the search button on the top bottom corner of the screen. Now, in the search bar, type WhatsApp and hit enter. You will see WhatsApp Messenger appear at the top of the list with the green logo. Make sure it is developed by WhatsApp LLC to ensure you are downloading the official app. Next, tap on the WhatsApp Messenger app from the list. You will be taken to the app's page where you can see the install button. Simply tap on install and the app will start downloading onto your device. After the download is complete, WhatsApp will automatically install on your phone. You will see the WhatsApp icon appear either on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just tap on the icon and follow the simple set of steps to start using WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you know how to download WhatsApp app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.